Hello and welcome to Value Research Podcast. You're listening to First Page, a column written by Virendra Kumar. The Portfolio Diet. Why your mutual fund collection probably needs a weight loss program. Every child has heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The investing version of this idea is diversification, and every investor knows that diversification is good. Mutual fund investors generally take this to mean they should not invest in just one or two funds but spread their investments across lots of funds. The result is many investors seem to equate the number of funds they own with the quality of their portfolio. It's as if an unwritten rule says the more mutual funds you own, the more sophisticated an investor you must be. This belief has only intensified with the spectacular rise in mutual fund investing over the past few years. As our cover story of Mutual Fund Insight February 2025 issue details, there has been a remarkable surge in SIPs and fund AUMs. While increased participation in mutual funds is a positive development, it has brought a peculiar side effect: portfolio multiplication. The phenomenon isn't entirely surprising. After all, the mutual fund industry has done an excellent job promoting itself with campaigns like Mutual Fund Sahi Hai reaching every corner of the country. However, mutual funds are sahi has been misinterpreted somewhere along the way as more mutual funds are more sahi. Many investors' portfolios now resemble a collector's album than a well-thought-out investment strategy. The irony is that this approach completely misses the fundamental advantage that mutual funds offer: professional management that simplifies our investment journey. When we stuff our portfolios with fund after fund, we essentially turn this simplicity into complexity. It's rather like trying to make a dish better by adding more and more spices. At some point, you're not improving the taste, you're just making the dish inedible. This situation is particularly problematic because we live in an age of information overload. Every day brings new fund launches, investment themes, and new opportunities that we're told we shouldn't miss. With its army of distributors and advisors working on commissions, the financial services industry is more than happy to feed this frenzy. The hard sell from these intermediaries, each pushing their own set of funds, creates continuous pressure to add more schemes to your portfolio. Every new fund is presented as something unique, something essential your portfolio supposedly lacks, and the commission-driven sales pitch makes it hard to resist. But here's the truth that gets lost in this noise. Mutual fund investing isn't about collecting funds like stamps or coins. It's about building a portfolio that efficiently serves your financial goals. When you add funds beyond a reasonable number, you're not adding diversification but complexity. You're making it harder to monitor your investments and make meaningful changes when needed, and potentially diluting the benefits that drew you to mutual funds in the first place. This is why portfolio simplification, which we explore in detail in our cover story, is crucial. It's not just about having fewer funds but the right proportion. It's about understanding that every fund in your portfolio has a purpose and a role in your financial journey. The challenge lies in resisting the temptation to add just one more fund to your portfolio. It requires confidence to stick with a few chosen funds when everyone seems to be chasing the latest fund offer. But remember, the goal of investing is not to have the most elaborate portfolio. It's to achieve your financial objectives with the least fuss and maximum efficiency. As you read the cover story of Mutual Fund Insight February 2025 issue, I encourage you to consider your portfolio. Are all your funds serving a purpose, or have some crept in simply because they seemed like a good idea? Sometimes the best investment decision you can make is to simplify, cut through the clutter, and focus on what matters.